In this tutorial we learn how to add text in the SolidWorks. We go to text tool. Before we start, we can make the text on the curve. For example, draw line, go again to text tool and SolidWorks. Here select the line. Here the words is not displayed here because the font. Change the font here, for example 1000. This option to bold font, okay, and italic, rotate, and if we want to make under or over the line, left to right, right to left. Okay. Second thing in this tutorial is point tool. It's here, click on it and click, and just we make point. This point is very helpful in drawing. We can use from perimeter, circle, or for center line, center of the circle here. And if we want to measure distance, we can't just determine any distance on the circuit. Use the point, go here and make another point, go to the smart dimension tool, choose here, we can make a distance. Just that in this tutorial, and the next tutorial we go to explain the entities tool. Here we are finished now the sketch tools. The entities tool, it's more than one, like trim entities, convert entities, offset entities. In the next tutorial we will describe trim entities and offset entities. That's it. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch the next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. You can also visit my blog for more. You can also watch the previous tutorial